You say tomato, I say tomato, whatever you call them. They have lots here in St. Albert at Salisbury Greenhouse. I'm Tracy. This is Rob, the expert on tomatoes.
Hi, Tracy. Yeah, tomatoes, definitely our most popular fruit. Lots of different varieties here, dozens. We got your Siam Mini. That's a nice little compact tomato for the patio, kind of looks good.
So cute.
This is your Sun Sugar, right? And this guy is gonna grow like crazy. Lots of little yellow tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, really sweet, like little bits of candy. Early Girl, our most popular tomato, really early yielding. Ping pong ball size, nice flavor. And of course, if you like it beefy,
yes,
your beefsteak,
big
right?
ones.
Your fist-sized tomatoes for the sandwiches, vinegar, things like that. Whatever kind you get, lots of sun, lots of fertilizer, and just enjoy.
And you can find them all here, plus some great tips on them. And you can talk to the staff or Rob at any one of the locations, St. Albert, Sherwood Park, or online at salisburygreenhouse.com.